In the UK, there are over 2 million people who are studying at universities. The most popular degrees in the UK are psychology, engineering and technology, medicine, sports science, and computer science. There are a lot of famous universities in the UK, such as the University of Edinburgh, Cambridge University, and Oxford University. And a lot of the main cities in the UK have their own university, like the University of Birmingham, Lancaster University, the University of Nottingham, the University of Bristol, or Manchester University. To apply to a college, you must meet the entry requirements and pass the entrance exam. If you are successful and you get accepted into a college, you will receive a university place and you will become a student of that university. Some people decide to be a full-time student, whereas others prefer to be a part-time student and spend a few more years studying their degree. People might decide to study part-time so that they can work while they are studying. This is especially necessary if you haven't received a scholarship or a grant, which is basically money that you are offered to help you study your degree and pay for the tuition fees. When you are enrolled in the course, you will have to attend lectures and seminars. You might have to do some background reading for some classes, so you will have to learn about the content before you actually go to the lecture or the class. You will have textbooks or course books to learn from that you will have to study from when you have exams. When you are in class, the teacher might give you some handouts too, which are pieces of paper that have content that you will be learning in class. It is important that you revise the content that you are doing in class so that you don't have to study all of the content the day before the exams. You will also have to hand in or submit assignments, and there will be deadlines for these assignments, so it's important to organize your tasks and to have a diary. That way you can write down when each assignment is due for, and you won't miss any of the deadlines. You will probably have midterm exams and final exams. Midterms are the exams that you do in the middle of the term, whereas finals are the ones that you do at the end of the term or the semester. In the last year of your studies, you will probably have to specialize in a field of study. So you will have elective subjects or optional subjects. They are the opposite of compulsory or mandatory subjects which everyone must do. Then, in your final year, you will have to write a thesis or a dissertation. When you have finished your thesis, you will have to defend it, and your professors will ask you questions on it. If your thesis goes well, you will receive a bachelor's degree, which is also called an undergraduate degree. After that, you might want to study a master's degree or a postgraduate degree, so that you can specialize in your field of study even more. If you have enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.